Las Vegas is falling, but don't look for its replacement in the desert. Something new is rising, online, in code, in light. A new city, built not from concrete, but from connection. And it's already replacing the old world. This is the story of the city that will replace Las Vegas, the next capital of entertainment, money, and illusion. For decades, Las Vegas was the world's escape hatch. It was a physical fantasy land where the normal rules didn't seem to apply. A place you went to lose yourself. But after the pandemic, the internet took over that role. And the cities that understood that fundamental shift to digital ones are now winning. Think about Miami, Austin, Singapore, even Seoul. These are the new hubs, places where people go to feel alive without ever needing to step inside a casino. But one city is building something far bigger, far more ambitious. Welcome to the new Vegas, the digital empire. This city doesn't have streets, it has servers. It doesn't need tourists, it has users. And its currency isn't the dollar, it's your attention. This new empire exists everywhere you scroll. On TikTok, on Twitch, in the metaverse. In this world, creators are the new casino dealers. Algorithms are the new casinos. The house still always wins, it's just invisible now. The jackpot isn't a pile of cash, it's a rush of dopamine. And the city that masters the art of dispensing that dopamine will win the future. Tech-forward cities like San Francisco and Seoul are already merging entertainment with artificial intelligence. The iconic neon lights of the Strip are being replaced by the glow of our screens. Casino dealers are being replaced by recommendation engines. You don't walk the Strip anymore, you scroll it. And while the old Vegas struggles to fill hotel rooms, the new Vegas is busy filling timelines. Every view is a coin, every like is a chip, every scroll is another spin of the wheel. The odds of winning haven't gotten any better, but the illusion is more perfect than ever. This shift didn't just happen overnight. It began when creators became the new showman, the modern-day PT bot. Why would you go to a stuffy theater to watch a magician when you can watch a mind-bending viral video on TikTok? Why gamble your money on a card table when you can gamble on going viral? The dopamine rush is the same. The cost is lower, and the potential reach is infinite. But there's one real-world city that's leading this digital race, Miami. As Vegas faded, Miami rose from the ashes. It's the crypto capital, a streaming paradise. With its warm weather, low taxes, and endless hype, it's becoming the new playground for the internet generation. It's a potent mix of money, luxury, and illusion, exactly what Las Vegas used to be. But with high-speed Wi-Fi instead of slot machines. Then you have Seoul, a city where AI, fashion, and entertainment merge into a relentless 24/7 industry. It's futuristic, cinematic, and bursting with life. They're literally building a metaverse city. In Seoul, influencers are treated like idols. In Vegas, they're just tourists. And that, right there, is the fundamental difference. So, what replaces Las Vegas isn't one single place. It's a network. It's dozens of cities, all competing to own a piece of your attention, while the internet connects them all. Vegas was all about location, location, location. This new empire is all about presence. AI is accelerating this transformation at an incredible speed. We have virtual concerts with digital performers. We have AI influencers who never sleep, never age, and never say the wrong thing. Soon, the most famous person in the world might not even be human. That is the next Vegas, a world where reality is optional and dopamine is infinite. But this raises a critical question. When everything becomes entertainment, what happens to meaning? Las Vegas sold escape. This new world sells identity. We don't go somewhere to forget ourselves anymore. We go online to become someone new, someone better, someone more exciting. And just like Vegas, it's all built on a foundation of illusion. Likes, followers, fake fame, these are the modern slot machines. Except now, the currency isn't your money, it's your time. And yet, just like before, someone is getting very, very rich. The platforms, the ad buyers, the architects of our attention. The house never loses, it just changed its shape. So who wins in this new world? The creators who understand the game. The cities that adapt and innovate. And the audiences who learn to look past the beautiful illusion. Las Vegas taught us how to gamble with our money. The internet taught us how to gamble with our lives. But this cycle will repeat. Every empire of illusion eventually falls. And when the screens finally stop glowing, the silence that follows will feel strangely familiar. Just like an empty casino floor in the early hours of the morning. Until then, the new Vegas just keeps growing. Every single day, there are more users, more dopamine hits, more dreams built entirely on code. The future of entertainment isn't a city you can visit on a map, it's an algorithm. And whether we realize it or not, we're already living inside it. Thank you for watching. If you want more deep dives into the rise and fall of our modern world, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss what's next.